Yo, what's up guys? Back again, this time in a little bit different of an area. I'm back to where the area I kind of went to, oh god, what lane am I supposed to be in? Oh, this one. I'm back to kind of the area where I went to school in. I'm currently in Inglewood. I had to run my mom some stuff down here, and she works down here, so I thought I'd do, I've got the GoPro on, so I might as well do a quick video. I haven't rode down here on these roads in, it's been a little while. It's probably been about a month or so. I was like, while I'm down here, I might as well go to my favorite Chinese restaurant of all time. Of all time. I love this place so much. And it's not too far of a drive, so I was like, why not film a little bit? It's a beautiful day. I actually just got this thing plated. Finally. I mean, not finally, but it took a little while to get her plated. And I can beat this car. Yeah. It's done. She's got plates. I literally just did it today at like 10:45 and it's currently 12:26. I did it. I'm happy. I finally got it done. I don't have to do it anymore. I have a new title coming in my name. In total, if you're curious, in taxes I paid $55. And then for plates, it was $77. So I'm not very good at math, but whatever 55 plus 27 is what I paid. So I'm just happy. Oh, that building's new. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I'm happy to have plates. You know, a new title in my name. Finally, I think it's been almost 2 months. Well, it's the end of May and I bought it April 1st, so yeah, right? Is that right? Does that math line up? Hold on, does it? I don't know. Anyway, we're just rolling up right here. Oh, it looks like I can actually park right out front. That's kind of fucking rare here, to be completely honest with you. That actually never, ever, 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 ever happens. I don't want to park in that big ass fucking puddle though, so I'm gonna run in here real quick and I'll start the video up when I get back out. I'm just leaving the Chinese place. Oh my god, I love that place. It's in Inglewood. It's called like Thai Chinese or something. I just got like 2 pounds of rice for like $4. This is a blind turn. Just got like 2 pounds of rice for like $4. I love that place. I usually get chicken, but I didn't get chicken this time because I'm just in the mood for some rice. And I'm headed back up right now to Golden. Because, oh shit, can I make this? I can. I'm headed right now back up to Golden because I haven't slept in literally 24 hours. My sleeping schedule is so bad. My sleeping schedule is just so bad. And I knew I had to be up early to go to the DMV, and I knew that if I went to bed, I wouldn't get up for the DMV. So I thought, this is a good way to distract me. I'm not tired yet, knock on wood. And it's, oh, damn it. This is about a 22-minute drive, I'd say. I'm in Inglewood right now and getting ready to hop back on 285. Man, it's crazy. Like, I went to school most of my years down here. I only did 1 year in Golden. And man, Inglewood changed so much. It's crazy to see, like, where you grew up, like, change. Like this apartment complex right here where these people are merging on, to my right over here, you see those top of those apartments? That used to be a drive-in movie theater. And it's crazy to like those apartments have been there for, it's crazy to see that like it's changed. And it's crazy that like that we used to go to drive-ins there as a kid. Or, well, I did as a kid, and now it's just totally different. Like, it's crazy. What is this shit all over the road here? What am I running over? Why is this guy going so slow? You're in a Mercedes? Yeah. Dude, what the hell's going on here? I'm passing up. This light, it takes pictures of you, and it fucking sucks. It sucks. There we go. Get past that fucking guy. I'll just stay in this lane. Yeah, today was supposed to be rainy and shitty all day. Like, I looked last night, and this time, right, now it's 12:38, so it was supposed to be, like, shitty. And it's crazy that, I mean, there's, don't get me wrong, there are some clouds up there that look kind of gnarly, but in the forecast, it's got like a 7% chance all day. So, I mean, you know, I'm not complaining. Yo, speaking of shit too, it has nothing to do with it. Right there, that gray building is a skate park, and it is a sick, oh, big pot. There is a sick skate park right there. It's so much fun. It's called Curbside. It is a sick park. All right, I can speed up to highway speeds now. Yeah, it is a cool park. Ooh, big bump. Ooh. Ow! I just took a huge rock off my nipple. Ow, dude. That was directly my nipples, probably from that rig up there. Damn it, dude. It made my nipple all hard. There's a dude driving a lawnmower in the middle of the road. What the fuck is happening? That dude was on like a zero-turn lawnmower going down the road. I wonder if you guys were able to see that. That was crazy. Ow, I just took a rock off the knuckle. Up here in a second, there's a straightaway. And I'm gonna open it. It's going uphill, of course, so it's not gonna be, you know, downhill. And there's a lot of wind today. I don't know if you can tell by my shirt.
So I'm currently editing the video that you're watching, and I just realized that I said it's really windy out here. I don't know if you can tell by my shirt, while I'm going 75 miles an hour down the highway on a motorcycle. What was I thinking?
But up here next to this golf course, I'll do a full squat and see what I can hit going up next to this golf course. Yeah, right up here, I'm gonna like you guys aren't gonna be able to see much, but I'm gonna like full squat and see what I can get it up to. There's a little bit of downhill right here. Okay, here we go. We're already at 80. Here we go, full squat. There's 85. There was 90. You guys are looking at the floorboard, I think. We got up to 90 right there, going uphill. There's another big downhill stretch right here where I'll squat and see. All right, here comes the big hill. I don't see cops. All right, here we go. As soon as we crest this hill, and this is actually my exit, so I need to make sure I pass these. All right, full squat, here we go. Full squat. Here we go. There's 90 again. So we hit 90 twice. Yeah, at 90, I don't even know if you guys can hear me. At 90, it feels, it would definitely be nice to have some bigger tires. I mean, definitely it'd be nice to have bigger tires. I didn't even use that brake that whole time. We're up to 45. I slow down really quick without the brake on this thing. I don't know if that's like a scooter thing or like, you know, like a natural engine brake or what. But I slow down quick. Now merging on here is a pain in my ass. There we go, we did it. That's Soda Lakes. It's a really pretty lake. It's got like it costs like $10 to get in. I can't wait to do like a full squat downhill test. We hit about 92. I'll have to see if the GoPro literally showed any of it since I'm full squat. I think you guys are looking at the floorboard, or you know, down here. There's Bandemere. I've been there a couple times. It's badass. One of these times too, I'm gonna have to drive through Morrison. My family owns a liquor store in Morrison, and I might have to stop by. I haven't seen them in a while. I think since the pandemic started last year, this time last year, I seen them one time I went to the store, I think. Maybe, yeah, I don't know, but I might have to stop there sometime too. Enjoyed, please leave a like, a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.